Hi, today I'm going to explain how to cook rice with clams and Christmas compote. For the rice with clams, we need 300 grams of rice. For better results, use arborio type rice. 1 kilogram of clams, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 1 small glass of sherry, fresh parsley, oil, salt, and 1 liter of fish or chicken stock or water. First, in a pan with some oil, soften the finely chopped garlic and onion. Then add the rice, stir for 1 minute, and sprinkle with the sherry. And finally, add the stock and clams and cook for 17 minutes. Did you know any shellfish go well with the rice? For the Christmas compote, we need 4 pears, 12 dates soaked overnight, 100 grams of currants raisins, 100 grams of dried apricots soaked overnight, 200 grams of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, peel of 1 orange, peel of 1 lemon, and pressure cooker. First, peel and chop the pears, removing the core. Then put all the ingredients in the pressure cooker, cover with water and put on high heat. Finally, when the ganger shows too, lower the heat and cook in 15 minutes, leaving it to cool slowly. Did you know this is ideal at Christmas to go with the turkey or any another meat?